Pratipadikam is Kama. Kama becomes third vibhakti in Tritiya vibhakti is Kamyaya.
So no, no. Tritiya vibhakti of Kama is Kamena. Kama, Kamaha is Kamena. Okay. So this is Kamya. Kamya. Kamya is a Pratipadikam. Therefore it becomes Kamyaya. Like Gita, Gitaya. So
Oh, Kamya.
Kamyaya. Kamyaya means what? That which is desired is called Kamya. That which is most desired is called Kamya. That is why we name our daughters Kamya. Kamya means that which is most desired. Moksha is the most desired. Kamya.
Dhanyavada.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
Guruji, here Bhinna Nimitta Upadhana Karanam and Vivarta, what you explained are almost the same, right?
Correct. Correct. So two words are being introduced here. Abhinna nimitta upadana karana means the intelligent cause, the jiva, and the material cause, the material required for any creation, are they different? They're typically different. Bhinna upadana nimitta karanam, typically, but thanks to Vedanta, we come to understand that they are not different. Bhagavan is not separate from the world. This is what we said. And then this upadana karanam, when is this abhinnam? When does it happen? When does it happen? When can you give me an example? Yeah, the example is we have a good example. Two kinds of upadana karanam are there. Two kinds of material causes. One is the material that is parinami upadana karanam. Parinami, like the yogurt example, we give that example quite a bit. So milk, the entire yogurt is milk only, but there is really no milk. Milk has got transformed. Milk is just, even though milk was the one that gave that oxygen to this yogurt, but it no longer exists there as milk. It doesn't exist. So parinami upadana karana. Two kinds of upadana karana, either parinami or vivartam. Vivarta upadana karanam. Vivarta upadana. What is the Vivarta upadana karanam? Vivartam means the upadana karanam that does not get transformed. That does not get transformed. Well, like you can say furniture. Wood is the material cause for furniture, but wood continues to remain wood. Different shape maybe, but wood is wood. It doesn't. It's wood. You can reuse that wood for something else if you want. So that's Vivarta. Another example of Vivarta Upadana Karanam.
Pot and clay also, no?
Huh?
Pot and clay also, you mentioned.
Pot and clay is a good example for Vivarta Upadana Karanam. If you take away all the heating and all these things, etc., then it's Vivarta Upadana Karanam. And another famous example is there. What is that?
Ocean
Rope
waves.
and snake.
Glass also is there.
Water and ocean. Okay, water and wave. Okay, what else?
Gold
and snake.
Gold and ornament.
Okay. Gold and ornament. I think I should use that example more often.
Rope and snake is more better.
Okay, rope and snake. Why rope and snake is Vivarta Upadana Karanam?
Because rope, it doesn't become snake, but appears as snake. Really doesn't transform.
Rope, fortunately, rope did not become snake. If rope really became snake, we are in trouble. And so rope appears as snake. So Vivarta Upadana Karanam. And one more very famous example.
And glass also lasts for a very, very, very long time. Glass.
Okay. Glass is also there. One more very famous example.
the water, the desert, which doesn't appear as what do you call it? Oasis.
Mirage? No,
Okay.
that's
Mirage, sorry, thank you.
Okay. All right. Desert oasis. But abhinna nimitta upadanaka. Very famous example. Means the creator and the material are one and the same.
Spider web. Spider.
Dream.
Spider's web, good example. What
The
else?
dream. Could you
Ah,
okay.
correct. Dream example.
Mm.
See, that is why, see, the word swapna is, we meant to indicate that, hey, I recognize this Jagat as not different from swapna. One who knows, I know that. That's why my name is Swapna. Okay, Swapna can say that. Okay. Shankaracharya says that in Atma Bodha. He says, Samsara Swapna Tulyo hi Ragadvesha Sankulaha. He says, Samsara. Okay, let's first finish the example part. Dream, I think you understand, right? I am the dreamer and I am the one who provides the material for the dream. I didn't go out to get the material. So therefore, that is Abhinna Nimitta Upadana Karanam. And there the type of Upadana Karanam has to be Vivartam. Vivartam. Because I did not transform into dream. If I transformed into dream, then I am not accessible. The same I is not accessible. But fortunately, same I is accessible. Okay, that part you leave aside. Now, samsara swapna tulyohi. Hey, samsara is like swapna, my dear friend. And what is samsara? Raga dvesha de sankulaha. We're all bunch of ragas and dveshas. Okay, and then what? Swakale satyavad bhati. Prabhode satya sat bhavet. Swakale satyavad bhati. Hey, what is the thing about the swapna? It is during the dream, it appears real. Satyavat bhati. Means I take it as real. I have no choice but to take it as real. Swakale satyavat bhati. Then what happens? Prabodhe sati. When I wake up from the swapnavastha, then Prabodhe satya sat bhavet, asat bhavet. Then it becomes negated. It becomes falsified. And so that comes to my mind. And so all this rope snake example, mirage, dream. See, all these examples, rope snake is a projection made by the jiva. Dream is a projection made by the jiva. What about the samsara, this world projection? World is projected on Brahma.
by Maya.
There we say it is Bhagavan's projection. All these other projections are my problem. Here Bhagavan has projected a world as though a world is there and I take that as a world, and Bhagavan says, no, I understand it as my projection. It is Maya. And once you understand it as projection, then you will understand that samsara has swapna tulyohi. Like that Shankaracharya says, Atma Bodha, verse number 6 or 7 or something like that. So, all this because Vivartam, Meera asked the question, Vivartam. Technical word. Two kinds of Upadana Karanam. Parinami Upadana Karanam, Vivarta Upadana Karanam. Parinami means the material gets transformed as it becomes the product. Vivartam means untransformed. Brahman has not transformed when it became Jagat. Some other school says Brahman has transformed. Sankhya, Nyaya, all these schools are there. There are many schools. Competing thoughts are there. They say Brahman has transformed. They're gone. Now don't look for Brahman anymore. Because Brahman is not there. They say that.
But Guruji, one question. Now you said this is Bhagavan's projection. Jagat is Bhagavan's projection. So, say if we take dream, one doesn't know the other person's dream, right? we wouldn't know what he or she dreamt. So this God's projection of this world, how does jivas like us know, or at what stage will it get revealed that this is Bhagwan's projection and not real?
In the stage of Shravanam.
Shravanam itself, is it?
Shravanam, yeah.
Intellectually, okay, but experientially?
So, see, suppose you woke up from a dream and then you say, thank God it was a dream. The dream, understood. Recognition of dream is intellectual or experiential?
Experiential as well as intellectual.
Okay.
Both ways, no?
That's fine. If you want to say that, that's fine. But intellectual is there or not?
Is there.
You know it. You are the one who know it. And that knowledge is so important. And then whatever experience comes out of it, comes out of it. The what experience you say? Thank God it was a dream. So that you experience some relief. Major relief you experienced. Okay, you thought you were being dragged in the IC in the hospital, and so people were pulling and stretcher, because we've been watching all these shows with our ER and this and that. So constantly this ER thing is running in the head. So stretcher, this, that, pim, was going on. Suddenly you woke up. Abba. Oh. So therefore what? Okay, some experience you had. But that Abba comes from, what is that Abba? Abba is knowledge. That knowledge is what created the experience. So okay. So we focus on the knowledge. What experience can that knowledge give? That knowledge should give some experience, right? When you say, oh my God, this is a projection. This thing is like a dream. It's a different kind of dream. Suppose you understood. Then it should give you some relief. Yeah, experientially, you say, I'm free. My God, I'm no longer anxious about myself. I'm not anxious about the rest of the world anymore. That is experiential. Correct? Anxiety is gone. Fear is gone. That is
But
experiential.
in that there is a change of state that happened, right? From dream you woke up. So waker. From dreamer you became a waker. Here in this, what is that that state change which will make us realize that this is all a projection of Brahman or Ishvara?
State change is from Ajnanam to Jnana Vritti, Akhandakara Vritti. That is the state. Akhandakara Vritti. That Vritti which makes you say, aha, that is the change, that is the state. That is the state. See, everywhere else what they will say is, you have to gain some kind of a state. By doing some techniques, all these things are given. So you will gain a particular state of thoughtlessness, somebody will say, or a single thought, continuous single thought, somebody will say, all this, some blissful experience, they will say. We say that blissful experience is a result of jnana, and therefore we don't direct people towards blissful experience. We say jnanam, that jnanam which is what is gives you that blissful experience. What is blissful experience? If you say, will that experience stay forever?
Well, once you get moksha, probably it will stay forever, right?
Yeah. So suppose Swamiji says, I have never experienced this kind of pain before. Our Puja Swamiji said that. Okay. What happened? Blissful experience gone?
No. For
Not
them.
gone?
I think for enlightened and realized souls, pain is there, but they are not identifying with that pain. Probably there's some kind of disidentification with the with the body, which stays with them forever.
Right, disidentification with the body. That is that intellectual or experiential? You used a key word called disidentification. Is that intellectual or experiential?
Starts with intellectual and then becomes experiential.
Correct. Starts with intellectual. That is the key. And intellectual means teaching is involved.
Yes.
So much teaching is involved in this. And therefore, after that, whatever happens, happens. One can describe various states, this, that, and all you can talk about. And we are already accepting that, hey, even a jnani's body can be in pain. Jnani can experience pain, severe pain. They are dissatisfied with the body. It doesn't cause them sorrow. It's painful, very painful. Like that they might say, but they're incarnate, Ananda incarnate. Therefore,
Dhanyavada, Guruji.
yeah. Okay. So we'll pause with that.
Dhanyavada, Guruji.
Thank you. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Dhanvantaraye Amrita Kalasahastaya Sarvamaya Vinashanaya Trailokyanataya Shri Mahavishnave Namaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Dhanvantaraye Amrita Kalasahastaya Sarvamaya Vinashanaya Trailokyanataya Shri Mahavishnave Namaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Dhanvantaraye Amrita Kalasahastaya Sarvamaya Vinashanaya Trailokyanataya Shri Mahavishnave Namaha. Thank you.
Dhanyavada, Guruji.